Do you find yourself using the same shape layer animations on a regular basis? Avoid wasting valuable time creating the same ones over and over with this quick tip every motion graphic designer should know. This shape layer has a lot going on. Here are the shape layer contents and keyframes. Here's my effect with an expression. Here are the layer transform properties. Notice scale is set to 110% and there's a rotation expression. Finally, we have a layer style. Close everything down to the outermost folders. Select Contents, Effects, Transform, and Layer Styles. All properties within these folders will become part of our preset. You could also choose one or more of these folders and even one or more properties within any of these folders. Whatever combination or property you select will be saved as the preset. Now, go to Animation and select Save Animation Preset. All animation presets go to the same folder path for both PC and Mac. Documents, Adobe, the version you're using, User Presets. You can add subfolders to the User Presets folder to stay organized. I'll create a new folder for quick tips and place my preset here. Name the animation preset something that makes sense and that you'll remember. Once the preset is saved, delete the shape layer. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and navigate to User Presets. Notice the folder structure here is the same as the User Presets folder in your documents. There is one exception though. This 7-minute AE folder doesn't appear in my Effects and Presets panel because there's nothing saved in that folder and therefore no presets are available. When you save a new preset, your effects and presets should update automatically. But if it doesn't, right-click and choose Refresh List. Here is our new Quick Tips folder. When keyframes are part of a preset, they'll be dropped at your playhead's location. I'll go to the 1-second mark. When you include shape layer contents in your preset, all you have to do is double-click the preset. A new shape layer along with all the properties you selected will be added to the timeline. All shape layer contents and keyframes, the effect and its expression, our layer transform expression, and the adjusted scale of 110%, and our layer styles were saved and imported with our preset. And our first keyframe was dropped at the 1-second mark. Now I never have to create this super complicated shape layer animation again. The next time you need to create a shape layer animation preset, remember to highlight all the desired properties, go to Animation, Save Animation Preset, save it to Documents, Adobe, the version you're using, User Presets, and you'll save a ton of time.